y'all, Yappy here at the RV Homestead. Just cleaning out the fridge. Dude is gone and on a mission to get warranty work for the motorhome. So he has had some extra days. They thought it would take less time and it's taking more. So I had extra veggies in my kitchen and things to use up. I thought I'd share a recipe for you. This came from Shotgun Red's channel. God bless rest his soul. He is no longer with us. He had amazing recipes on his channel, still does because they're still there. But this is one, it's pickled cucumbers, medallion onion, and tomatoes. So first, if you like what you see, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell. You'll get more of the recipes that I find on other YouTube channels, and I'm sharing the ones that I absolutely love. Basically, I had a little over half a cucumber, sliced it up, cut it in half. I had about 10 grape tomatoes, cut them in half, and half a medallion onion. That's what it calls for. Put it in a bowl. Added half a cup of apple cider vinegar. If you had probably any, like a white wine vinegar, white vinegar too, you could do that. Apple just gives it better flavor. Half a cup of cold water. The recipe says 2 to 4 teaspoons of sugar. I barely sprinkled any in. I want less is more on sugar if I can. So I just put a little bit just to get the flavor. About half a teaspoon of salt, or whatever you like. About a half a teaspoon. I didn't even measure. Sprinkled in a little bit of pepper. You do fresh dill. I didn't have any fresh, so I used packaged, or just a little bit, and it depends on how much dill you like. Be careful, because I can give you a real dill flavor, and it might be a little overpowering, so I just sprinkled a little bit on. You just make sure your vegetables are covered. Stir them up. That's it. Pop them in the fridge for 2 hours. Let them sit, and you are done. I poured them in this mason jar afterward. I've already tried them. They turn out great. They've got a great crispy flavor. It's a great way to use everything up. Dude's probably calling me. So anyway, y'all enjoy. See you soon.